friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you one TikTok hack, and also I'm bringing you this Foxy eyes makeup tutorial, which is on trend right now, so I wanted to bring you my version. Stay tuned if you want to see how I did it.
You will be needing 5 things: your favorite moisturizer, setting powder, setting spray, a primer, and your foundation. I'm applying my moisturizer all over, then setting powder. Right after that, I will be spraying some of the setting spray, following up with my primer all over, and then my foundation. Today I will be using this one from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna pat it on the skin all over. I will be reapplying some of the foundation where I need to, and this is the result. Do I like it? In my opinion, I don't. I think it's kind of cakey for my liking. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue, and I'm gonna go ahead and start color correcting my skin. I do use an orange color for those dark areas, and then I go back and cover them with some foundation. And then I do like to apply some of that setting powder. For the eyes, you want to make sure to give that lifted illusion, and you can use something to help you create a line. For me, it worked better without the tool, but anyhow, I will be using a darker shade from this palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and kind of create like a wing liner, and I'm using a smaller brush for that. I want to make sure that I do have that intensity that I want, and then with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and in circular motions, I will be blending everything out. I do have to tell you, the blending is key. Then I'm going to go back with a darker shade, and for that I will be using a different palette. And again, I'm using the smaller brush to give me that flexibility to get in the smaller areas. And then for the rest of the lid, I will be applying this flesh color. And once again, I'm just blending everything out. You want to make sure to go back and forth to the colors until you get the colors that you want. For the waterline, I will be using a brown pencil, and then I will seal it in with some of that, the same darker color that we previously used. Now for my under eyes, I decided to color correct them, and I practically did the same thing as the other step. So for my bronzing, I will be using this bronzer, and I will be applying it on my forehead, jawline, big cheeks, and so on and so forth. Trying to give myself a slimmer look, if you will. And then for my nose, again, I do like to use a smaller brush and just kind of, create some lines to give that illusion of a sharper nose. And then for my blush, I will be using this one from Luminoso, and of course, that glow. I will be using a smaller brush for my nose, and I will be, of course, putting in that glow where I need it. And yeah. Now for my lashes, I was a little undecided. You guys already know I have this book. If you are interested in seeing how I made it, I will link it down below. And practically, I wanted some lashes that would emphasize on the outer corner of the eye, because again, I do want to give that illusion of a snatch type of eye. So I will be using these ones right here. And before I apply them, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lashes. And right after that, I will be applying my fake lashes. Then I will be working on my lips. I will be using a chocolate type of lip. And yeah, this is the final result. Check it out. Once I put my hair up, some earrings, there you have it.
Okay, my friends, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos like this one, do not forget to subscribe. And like always, I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Adiós.